In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your QuickBooks Online password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to change it for security reasons, I'll guide you through the simple steps required to update it. So, let's get started. First things first, once you're logged in, your goal is to access your profile settings. This is an important step, as it leads us to where we need to be to make changes to your account, including updating your password. To do this, move your cursor to the top right of the screen. Here, you'll notice your profile photo or an icon that represents your account. This part of the interface contains a drop-down menu that provides access to various settings and options associated with your QuickBooks account. Now, once you see that icon, go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. You'll want to select Manage Your Intuit Account. This link is crucial because it will take you to your account management page, where all the magic happens regarding personal information updates, such as changing your password. When you arrive at your account management page, you'll be presented with several options. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's focus on the Change Password option. This is typically easy to find, and it's clearly labeled to minimize any confusion you might have. Go ahead and click on Change Password, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can input your new desired password. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your new password is strong. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This combination will enhance your security and help protect your account from unauthorized access. As you enter your new password, you might notice a progress bar or security indicators that show how strong your password is. These helpful features are designed to guide you in creating the strongest possible password for your account. After you've crafted a new, robust password, the next step is to confirm it. The system will typically ask you to retype the password you just created into a confirmation field. This extra step is to ensure there are no typos and that your new password is entered correctly. A matching confirmation means you're ready to move to the final step. Having entered and confirmed your new password, the last thing to do is click the Save button. This will update your account settings with the new password. By clicking Save, you ensure the changes take effect immediately, securing your account as intended. Once saved, you should receive confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your QuickBooks Online password. For security reasons, it's good practice to change your passwords regularly and avoid using the same password across multiple sites. This helps keep your online account safe and secure. If you encounter any issues during the process, such as error messages or trouble accessing your account, QuickBooks offers support to assist you. Feel free to reach out to their customer support team or consult their online help resources for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made resetting your QuickBooks Online password a straightforward and stress-free experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more handy guides and tech tips. Until next time, stay secure and take care.